In this video, we'll talk about factoring trinomials by grouping. Let's work on this problem. 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. We see a equal 2, b equal 5, and c equal 3. So the first step we need to do is we take a times c, which is 2 times 3 equals 6. Then we need to write down two numbers that when we multiply them together equals 6. So we put 1 right here. 1 times 6 equals 6, right? And then 2 times 3 equals 6, right? And then 3 times 2, which is the same as 2 and 3. So the next step, we need to choose the set of two numbers that when we add them together equal b or 5. We notice 1 plus 6 equals 7, right? 2 plus 3 equals 5. This one is the one that we're looking for. 2 add 3 equal to b, 5. So what are we going to do next is we put it down like 2x squared right here. Plus, we break 5x into two terms, 2x and 3x. 2x plus 3x plus 3. Then the next step, we group 2x squared plus 2x together. So 2x squared plus 2x. And we group 3x plus 3 together, right? Then you see we put 2x outside since 2x is a common factor of this one. We put x here, you see 2x times x equal 2x squared here. And plus 1 right here. 2x times 1 equal 2x here, right? Plus we put 3 outside. X right here because 3 times x is 3x plus 1. 3 times 1 is 3 right here, right? Then right here you see x plus 1 is a common factor. You can put it outside like x plus 1 right here. Inside the parentheses you put the term that right before the x plus 1 right here. You put x 2x right here. You put it down. Just simple like that. Put it down. Add. You put positive 3 down. The term right before the parenthesis of x plus 1 here. You put x positive 3 here, so put it down here. You see, this is the final answer for the first example. X plus 1 times 2x plus 3. And this method is called the grouping method. Let's work on another example. 3x squared plus 11x plus 6. You got the 3 is a, b is 11, and c is 6. So we do the same. Like we take a times c, which is 3 times 6 equal 18, right? Then we break 18 down into number, 1, 9. No, actually 1, 18. 1 times 18 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. Then 3 times 6, and then 6 and 3, 9 and 2 and 18 and 1, which is the same as above, right? Next step, we need to choose the set that the summation of these two numbers equal b, right? We notice 1 plus 18 is 19. 2 plus 9 is 11. So which this one, right? We choose this one. So the given expression equal to 3x squared. We break 11x into two terms, 2x and 9x plus 6, right? Then we group this one and this one together, this term and this term together. You get 3x squared plus 2x. You group them together, and then 9x plus 6, you group them together. Then you see x is the common factor here. You put 3x inside. X times 3x here, you got the 3x squared here, right? And then you put 2 here, because x times 2, you got 2x right here. Plus, you put right here, you put the 3 outside, and the inside parenthesis, you got 3x. You see 3 times 3x, you got 9x right here. Plus 2. 3 times 2, you got 6. Now you see 3x plus 2 is a common factor. You put it down right here. And then inside the parenthesis, you put this term, put in here, right? X right here. And then positive 3 right here. You put it down, right? And this is the final answer for this question. Let's look at this example. 4x squared minus 4x minus 3. You see a equal 4, b equal negative 4, and c equal negative 3. You put a times c equal 4 times negative 3 equal negative 12. And we break negative 12 into two numbers again. See 1 and negative 12. 1 times negative 12 is negative 12. And then 2 times negative 6 and 3 times negative 4, and so on, right? So we choose the set that when we add them together, we got b. You see 1 add to negative 12, you get a negative 11. We don't take it, right? And then 2 add to negative 6, 2 add to negative 6, you got a negative 4 right here, which is b, right? So we choose this set. What we are going to do next is we put 4x squared down, right? Then we break negative 4x right here into two terms. One is 2x and the other term is negative 6x. So we put it here, 2x minus 6x minus 3. Minus 3, we put it down, right? Now we group 4x squared plus 2x together, right? And then negative 6x and 3 together. We can see that 2x is a common factor. We just put it outside, right? And then inside the parenthesis, we put 2x here. Because 2x times 2x, you got 4x squared right here. Plus 1. Because 2x times 1 equal to x right here. Then we see this one, the negative sign. We put the negative sign outside, right? And then we put 3 outside. So inside parenthesis, we got 2x plus 1. Why? Because negative 3 times 2x, you got the negative 6x right here. And then negative 3 times 1, you got negative 3 right here. Now you see 2x plus 1 is a common factor. We put it right here, right? And then anything stand right before the 2x plus 1 right here. You just put it down right here. This term 2x right here. And then you see any term that before the 2x plus 1 here, you put it down. Minus 3. That's it. So this is the final answer for this question. Let's take a look at this example. 4x squared minus 7x minus 2. You see a equal 4, b equal negative 7, and c equal negative 2. We take a times c equal 4 times negative 2 equal negative 8. And then we break negative 8 into two numbers, right? A is 1 times negative 8, and 2 times negative 4, and 4 times negative 2, and so on. We notice 1 at negative 8 equal negative 7. 2, and this one is B, right? And this one is the one we're looking for. 1 minus 8 equal negative 7, and 1 times negative 8, you got negative 8 right here. So the original expression equal 4x squared. And then negative 7x, we break it into two terms. 1x, right here. And then minus 8x. Negative 2 right here, we put it down. Right here. You see, x minus ax equal negative 7x. Now we group 4x squared plus x together. 4x squared plus x together, right? And then right here we put ax and minus 2 down. Now we put x outside. Inside we have 4x, because x times 4x, you got 4x squared plus 1. X times 1, you got x right here, right? Right here we put negative sign down right here, and then you see 2 is the common factor. We put negative 2. Then inside we got 4x, right? Negative 2 right here times 4x, you got negative ax right here, right? Right here we put plus 1 right here. Negative 2 times 1, you got negative 2 right here. Now you see 4x plus 1 right here, and then this one is 4x plus 1. 4x plus 1 is a common factor. We put 4x plus 1 right here times parenthesis. So anything that right before the 4x plus 1 here, you put it here. That's it. X, right? And anything right before 4x plus 1 here, you put it here. So negative 2 down. And this is the final answer for this question. This method is called factoring trinomials by grouping.